In the vast tapestry of human society, fundamental rights weave the threads of justice, equality, and freedom. They are the very pillars upon which a democratic society stands, the beacon that lights the way towards fairness and dignity for all. Consider the right to equality, inscribed in Articles 14 to 18 of the Indian Constitution. Article 14 guarantees equality before the law and equal protection of the laws. This means that a CEO and a street vendor stand on equal footing in the eyes of the law. It's the pillar that supported the landmark case of Kesavananda Bharati versus the state of Kerala, where the Supreme Court reaffirmed that no individual, regardless of their status, can be above the Constitution. Article 15 prohibits discrimination based on religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. This is why in India, a Christian, a Muslim, a Sikh, or a Hindu can freely coexist without any fear of discrimination. It's the same right that inspired the Navtej Singh Johar case, decriminalizing homosexuality, thereby promoting equality and dignity for all. The right to freedom, encompassed in Articles 19 to 22, is another cornerstone. Article 19, for instance, protects certain rights regarding freedom of speech, assembly, association, movement, residence, and profession. This is the reason why Indians can voice their opinions, rally for causes they believe in, and choose their profession without fear of reprisal. The right against exploitation, specifically Article 23, prohibits traffic in human beings and forced labor. It's the reason why the Bandhwa Mukti Morcha case resulted in the release of thousands of bonded laborers, proving the significant role of fundamental rights in safeguarding human dignity. Article 25 to 28, encompassing the right to freedom of religion, ensures every individual the freedom of conscience and free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. It's the reason why a mosque, a church, a gurdwara, and a temple can peacefully coexist in the same neighborhood in India. The cultural and educational rights, articulated in Articles 29 and 30, protect the interests of minorities and their right to establish and administer educational institutions. This is why diverse cultures flourish in India, and why institutions like Jamia Millia Islamia and St. Stephen's College can exist and prosper. Finally, the right to constitutional remedies, enshrined in Article 32, provides the right to move the Supreme Court for the enforcement of these rights. It's a safety net, a recourse for every citizen if their fundamental rights are violated. These rights, these principles, are not just words inscribed in a legal document. They are living, breathing forces that shape societies, protect individuals, and guide nations towards a more equitable future. So, delve deeper. Explore these rights, understand them, and appreciate their implications. Because knowledge of one's rights is the first step towards safeguarding them. Freedom, justice, and equality are more than ideals. They are rights, etched in the annals of the Constitution, waiting to be understood, respected, and upheld by each one of us.